kids. I hope you all are safe in your houses. So stay safe and stay healthy. So today we will do something greeny, that is, today the concept is go green. Now I will explain you what is the meaning of go green and the new word, that is reduce. So we will make one poster that is related to the go green. So for that I will give you the explanation and the requirements also, but after that we will start our activity. So first of all I will explain you the meaning of reduce. Reduce means to किसी चीज को कम यूज करना. For example, as you can see, the water is a very essential element of our nature. So we have to use the water in a very limited use. We have to use the water in a very specific manner. We don't have to waste the water unnecessarily. So we will start with our poster, but before that I will give you the requirements of the poster. For this you want one A4 size sheet, okay, then markers, black marker, and some sketch pens. Some sketch pens you will need, and pencil, eraser, and some watercolors. You can take any watercolors. I have taken the poster colors, so you have to take the watercolors. And yes, the most important element of this activity is you can take the crumpled paper, or you can take the cotton, or you can take the spongy, anything you can take. So I have taken the crumpled paper. And you have to take the yellow color, or I have to decorate the poster, so you can take any material. You can take sparkle. Okay, you have to take the second A4 sheet. From this A4 sheet you have to cut the bubbles like this. You have to cut the bubbles like this. I have cut it already. So you have to cut the bubbles like this, and that should be 5 bubbles. Okay, the use of the 5 bubbles I will tell you. So cut this bubbles. The shape can be more, can be large. So cut these bubbles, and then after cutting, color the bubbles with blue watercolor, as I have done like this. So as I have already colored the 5 bubbles with blue color, so you have to color the 5 bubbles like this. Okay, so we have to take the A4 sheet and the crumpled newspaper. In this crumpled newspaper I have taken the yellow color to dab on this sheet. Okay, now you have to left this part empty. Okay, now from this I will start like this. As I have said, you can take any decorative material to decorate this poster. So I have taken the newspaper to dab like this. You have to dab on this full sheet. You can mix any color with yellow. As you can see, this is looking so pretty. Yellow, light yellow color. Okay, now as you can see it is wet, so let it dry for some time. So we have taken this blue color bubbles, so they are now dry. Now we have to mark the outline with black color. In all the bubbles. And we have to write the number 1 like this, number 1. Okay, so we have to do with all 5 bubbles, and we have to write the number 1 from number 1 to number 5. So my kids, our crumpled sheet is dry now, so you have to take now that crumpled sheet. Okay, now in this I have already done the writing and the drawing part. So what you have to do, you have to draw one tap here like this. Okay, and you can decorate this as your choice. And now in bold letters you have to write every drop counts. Okay, what you will write, every drop counts means हमारी जो पानी की बूंद होती है, एक एक बूंद काउंट होती है, whether it is sufficient, whether it is investing in for the good cause or for the bad cause. Good cause in the sense in a जो हमारे सही काम में यूज हो रही है, जिसमें हम वेस्टेज नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो as I have written this every drop counts, so you can fill the colors in this sketch colors you can fill, or you can fill the sparkle in it as you wish. So you have to write every drop counts. Okay, now under the tab you have to stick those bubbles which you have drawn and painted with blue color. Okay, so first we will stick one number, then 2, okay, then 3, then 4, and then 5. Okay, so it will look like this, every drop counts. So let's start decorating the letters. You can fill full color in each letter, or you can do like this. In my manner, I think this is a very creative, so I did like this. You can do anything. Okay, I have taken the purple color. So as you can see, our every is finished. Now we will decorate drop. Now you can take the pink color or any other color. I have taken the pink color. I have completed the drop also. Now we will complete our counts. For this I have taken the orange color. Okay, so let's start. You can fill sparkle also. It is upon you how you create your poster creative. Okay, so it is completed now. So we have made the poster that is upon on the reduce. So we have to use the every drop of water in a very sufficient manner, in a very particular manner, We don't have to waste the water in unnecessarily way. So you can stick this poster on your wash basin. Okay? So you can create this poster. You can add some more dark, so it will look like good. Okay? Now do at your home and do some creative thing. Okay? Bye. Thank you, Kidsy Play School, Bareilly.